everybody, it's George Mercado at Jeep League. Today I'm going to talk about these new GearAmerica shackles. I'm going to give you a little insight on them. First and foremost, I want to show you the difference in these two shackles. This is the GearAmerica brand. This is the other brand. Way thicker, way stronger all the way around. The GearAmerica shackles come with a bag full of grommets and rubber spacers. I'm going to show you how they go on. Alright, so let me rephrase that. These aren't really grommets. There's washers, rubber washers. So what I basically did was put the spacers in between the bracket and these shackles. So when it goes in, alright, so that when it goes in, you have rubber spacers in between here. I put a washer on this side. This helps it from shaking about, and it also prevents your shackle from getting scratched up once you tighten it up. Just in case people don't understand what I'm talking about, it's really simple. I put the washer on this side. These go in as such on either side when you're putting them in, and the bolt goes right through. This prevents the shackle from banging about. Pretty cool idea. And believe me, they give you enough of these just in case you lose some. There's spare ones. GearAmerica really thought about that, and about the shackle moving about, that is. Depending on your application, you may or may not use the spacers. It all depends whether or not you want. The ones on my bumper will use the spacers. The one on the back on the toe will not. So there you have it. All the shackles are installed. Two in the front. Graphics by 4x4 graphics. And of course, we have the 1, 2, and 3 shackles in the rear. Yep, do a complete walk around. True spike lug nuts. Raise the auto bumper. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for quality shackles, quality toe gear, GearAmerica. It's a great company, fantastic customer support, and they truly deliver on their products. All their products are quality every single time, and we're ever blessed and humbled to be representing such a wonderful and amazing brand. GearAmerica. There is no other option.